guys, this is what we will be eating when we're playing our game. So we're going to do Who Knows Me Better with my cousins and my aunt. And we have some curry crab right here with corn. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we will be playing a game of Who Knows Me Best. Who knows me best? My cousins or my aunt. So we are also doing a mukbang with plain rice and curry crab, and this is not sea crab, it's a land crab. Yes. So we are going to kick this off. So right here I have 3 leaves, and it contains A, B, and C. So the questions will go like, what type of person am I? A, B, C, and they will have to hold up their answer so nobody can cheat. Because Chevelle and Deli, Marshall is not going to cheat. I hope so.
Just watch.
So let's start. So first, I'm going to start with the same question and I'm going to give an example just now, right? So guys, what type of person am I? A, an emotional person. B, a roughneck. C, what else did it?
A combination of both.
A combination of both.
Is that C?
The answer is C. They know me a little bit, but we just a start, right? Okay. So the second question is, if I'm supposed to see my boyfriend on the road with a female, what am I most likely to do?
Up my alley.
A, fight or argue. B, pass like I don't see them. C, go and join them in whatever conversation or whatever they're doing. A, C. I'm most likely to join them.
Okay.
So if them sit on one table and them attack,
Table for 3, please.
Table for 3. Understand? Draw next seat for me there. Okay. So, what am I most likely to buy for myself? A, makeup. B, clothes. Or C, little fangandangus. You know, like a kitchen this, like a kitchen that.
No. Oh no, what on there? Fandangangus like the kitchen stuff.
Yeah, but what if I have a money, like what am I most likely to spend that money on? So my answer, as hard as it seems, would be C. Because me not really buy clothes, me not really going away.
You want to now know no more draft, keep no more clothes.
Look here, if C never come into play, it would have been B.
Yeah, it would have been B, because you know me not really I go buy makeup. I'm not that makeup type of person. I can't even do makeup really that well.
That's why people wonder, oh, I get so fat that you want to go up there go do one wardrobe raid. No one get some space, put some more clothes.
Okay, so if I'm driving home at night and I got a punctured tire, what am I most likely to do? A, change the tire myself. B, call somebody to come and assist me. Or C, find down somebody passing on the road to come and assist me. For sure, one of them. So it will be B. Exactly. I'm not going to find out anybody.
But you can see I did that.
Me not go fix it because me don't know if change the tire. So me go call my mother, most likely my mother first, and tell her if he send somebody come, or probably my boyfriend, and tell him say me you know me have a flat tire here, so to come.
Sure.
So on a night when it's raining, what am I most likely to do? am I most likely to stay home, Netflix and chill? B, am I most likely to go out and party with friends? C, am I most likely to go to church? The answer is A, Netflix and chill. But I want to keep the score them. They don't know who know me best.
But I want to get wrong. Let me get one
Cheryl
wrong.
gets one wrong. Marshall
Marshall
gets
get
one
one
wrong.
wrong.
Marshall gets one wrong. Okay.
Freestyle.
Yeah, but then somebody will always get it wrong.
But what we do? We get paid for anything. I end like one gift.
They will get that big. They're working for this big
Hey!
crowd.
Hey! Hey! You don't want to.
So, next question. Marshall not get no more. Because Marshall do her something in her plate. Me never see nobody eat crab so clean, I swear.
So the God.
When the chef on there something across the class. Marshall mess up. Man, the teeth. I don't plum seed,
I
man.
don't see the way put face in you.
No. So now, again, what type of person am I? Am I a family-oriented person? A, or am I all about friends? B, or am I about both? C, that's C. A. They all got it wrong. I love my family then, but I also love my friends.
You have friends?
So I
You have friend, girl?
have a couple friends.
She don't love them if she didn't have.
No, me have JT, Chevy. You know say me have JT.
But JT, because
I have Chevy. Me have Denise.
Stop, you don't have no friends.
No. Denise up in her feelings right now. She will not go out for her birthday. But, yes. But I still my friend.
Okay.
And not to mention my girl Sammy. You understand my girl Samantha? A long time I not see her, but.
Yes, Sammy, you know
And not to mention my party animal. You know Sasha. You know my friend.
yeah, sharp boss, pick up myself.
So, the next question is, what is my favorite color? Kelly gave me that question.
Everybody would know that already.
So, A, pink, B, purple, or C, black.
Turn the camera, woman.
It's A.
Can nobody favorite color no purple?
See my turn here.
The color kind of purple.
What is my favorite color? I must know that already.
Okay, yeah, should up the camera, get off, I see it.
May I come?
So the next question is, who is my best friend? Is it A, Denise, B, Sasha, or C, JT? My best friend is Sasha.
No one, JT.
So they all get a shot,
Yes,
girl,
JT
shot
water
boss. No, JT and Denise, them are my best friend, but them are my best friend, they come late. Sasha, my best friend from like 2012 when we just started UTEC.
Okay.
Yeah.
Masha didn't even know sharp boss.
Yeah.
I don't think it up there yet.
Daily 2012, I'm graduated 2016.
The girl just got here.
4 years.
2020 this, you know. What was this day? The girl said me just got here, I couldn't understand better.
Which universities did I attend? A, NCU, B, UTEC and UE, C, all of the above.
Let's see that.
See. Everything, then could teach me one move on.
But forget what I did in Jamaica.
Yeah, I see.
Yes, go inside.
I see.
Okay. Next question. How old am I? Am I 29? Am I 30? Am I 33?
Yes, Christ. Auntie, I take the tree.
Chevel, they'll never know me. They'll never know no answer.
Stop stealing. No. No, I know.
At 96 them born.
Yeah, but I know now because when she said 29 and
Yeah,
30,
say
we
no.
know she's not so young.
No, I'm not going to 22.
You're
We know she's
23.
not so young.
Me
We
think
get
say
old.
me think say you young. Me say
I just act young.
me think say
All of them born
but
1
not
year.
old.
Okay,
Yeah,
so
yeah.
next question. I'm the funny guy to my best friend. Come for that.
Me your best friend.
Oh, you know watch this. You can watch this.
Probably go on inside, go eat the crab with the children.
Okay, so people question them around. Oh, who was right now? We just gonna just go. Yeah, right. Who was two? No, name two of my ex best friends.
Clearly.
Ex-best friends?
Yeah.
Okay.
So two, Nicole and Renee. That's A. B. One girl with name Shana and Denise. C. Shana and Trisha.
Jeez, let me see there. Me see look like we can't find me see. What I see me say.
I have people see. Okay, so am I an adventurous person, or B, they call it people not adventurous, non-adventurous person,
One people.
or C, we are going to see now. Make we just skip that one, the A and B.
A B. Can't find B.
A.
No. A.
She adventurous, but she can't wait on one place down, so we ride mud bike. And
Jelly, that's what you're afraid.
It's B. You know, Marshall, if things say I'm a non-adventurous person, really, Marshall?
She Rushell A, you're adventurous.
And B
Yeah,
is
but Marshall is a
non-adventurous.
B.
Oh, but
You know what I said?
you
You
Rushell
say
says
Oh, it's A. Sorry.
and you can't
I'm
ride
not calling you
for
by
one
your
waist.
name.
Jelly, look at your food.
I'm saying, remember, do you stop?
That's crazy.
I do a bit.
Alright, so.
Carry extra. No, Marshall, that's the idea.
Alright.
Where should I go?
A.
You busy, Marshall.
What did I do? What did I do for my major and my minor at UTech? Is it A, engineering? No, let's make it the major. Is it A, engineering? B,
Nobody will watch me now.
social sciences? No. Yeah, IT, C, B, IT, or C.
You must have heard the right one.
Marketing.
You must have say right thing, you see.
A and B just no
No, right.
That's what we do IT, you don't know nothing about me.
Rational.
Guys, I think that's it for who knows me best. None of my family don't know me. None of them don't know more
Yeah,
than
you
me.
know
Lie
so
the
better.
witch tell.
Yeah, me should put Kelly in the game. No, come and say Kelly will get the one of them right.
True, she don't have no gift figure which she say we don't know her.
But guys,
Go and get the club.
one thing now. One thing about Amari and this something with the Nico and the gully bop. No, one thing with the gully bop.
Yeah, you're
Because she first went to the stars and said that the Nico is gully bop. Then when gully bop responded and said, him no want no COVID, no foreigner can no COVID going to you.
Go back to some.
You see, you don't see the girl reach from 0 to 100 real fast. She never see her or something. She was like, oh, and this and that one something where me can't tell the words and me come out of the girl more. But me feel like say the bop have her away. She never expected the bop in to say that.
But
She
mother.
has to she use the bop to get a look of fame. Yeah, you get a look of fame because your song are going trend
Leave
a
the
little
back
bit.
now.
But she
But-
said, Bob sing one song. What?
Nico
needs
Oh,
some.
Nico needs some. Never know
And she
Nico
said,
sweet some.
and she a ring with Bob career.
But you imagine, for the fact say you're going to be a madman. Everybody knows about the man. Then the man don't win this up. The man don't win because you don't have nothing by yourself. So you can't turn around and class the man now.
No kill me like how woman try to size up himself with good, nice, clean spice.
Oh
What she
my
say?
God, I saw it this morning.
What you say? Me just that one miss me.
Really? She tells by somebody what?
I said spice, I know spice are the queen of
And
she.
she a queen of dancer, I don't know
Eh?
spice.
You know, so she might even know that Amari.
Oh, she seriously want to show.
You know she might.
Somebody say, the DJ and him, the DJ and the dancehall artist them, gonna argue over political dub and leave Amari for rule the dancehall.
That's true, what arguments. And then you know, they didn't say when the cats are away, the rats will play. And that's Amari do. So people, thanks for staying with me, and if you're still here, remember to go ahead and subscribe, and if you're new to my channel, please do go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Bigger, better things in store. Remember to share, like, comment, and you know, as I always say, keep this thing interactive. Until then, lovies, walk good. Kelly, sign we out now?
What?
Sign we out, press the stop button.
Yes,
sir.
Tell like how your belly, so give me for your class.
No, for right now.
No, no, dig in.